Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Sentra in Sport Mode. Engaging Sport Mode is a simple way to enhance your driving experience, offering quicker acceleration and a more responsive feel. You'll find the dedicated Sport Mode button conveniently located near your gear shifter. Just a quick press will activate this exciting feature, and you'll notice an indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming it's active. This mode is perfect for when you desire a more engaging ride. Once activated, Sport Mode transforms your Sentra's performance. You'll immediately notice a more aggressive throttle response, making acceleration feel much more immediate and powerful. The transmission also adjusts, holding gears for longer periods, which keeps the engine in its optimal power band. This results in a more exhilarating and connected driving sensation, especially when navigating winding roads or needing extra passing power. It truly makes your Sentra feel more agile. Sport Mode is best utilized in specific driving situations to maximize its benefits. It's ideal for open roads where you can safely enjoy the increased responsiveness and power. Think about engaging it when merging onto a highway or when you need to quickly pass another vehicle. However, it's generally not recommended for heavy city traffic or during adverse weather conditions, as the heightened sensitivity might not be suitable for those environments. Use it wisely for an enhanced drive. Deactivating Sport Mode is just as straightforward as turning it on. Simply press the same Sport Mode button located near your gear shifter once more. You'll observe that the Sport Mode indicator light on your instrument panel will extinguish, confirming that the feature is no longer active. Your Nissan Sentra will then seamlessly revert to its standard, more fuel-efficient driving settings, perfect for everyday commuting or relaxed cruising. It's easy to switch back and forth as your driving needs change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.